Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. If you want to learn how to start digital marketing today with actionable steps, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be dropping some gems. The product that I choose to promote as a digital marketer is Create Faceless Wealth. And what that product does is teaches you how to sell Create Faceless Wealth, and it also teaches you how to sell your own digital product if you want and create it. It teaches you how to sell on Instagram, on Pinterest, create Instagram reels, start a Pinterest board, use AI. This program is amazing. Okay. And you can get started today for $43 with the link in the description with a payment plan. So, what does day to day look like for digital marketing? Well, you have to choose a platform that you want to show your product on. So, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is, you need to pick a platform. And then you need to create content around that product that people are searching for. Like, you found this video because you probably put in the search bar how to make money online. Okay. So if you create videos around that keyword, people are going to find your videos and want to know more about your product. Now, like I said, you can click the link down in the description, get a sneak peek of Create Faceless Wealth, and you can get my free digital marketing guide. So you need a product to promote. So I want you to do some research on products that you want to promote, whether it's a digital marketing course like Create Faceless Wealth, whether it's a ClickBank product, well, whether it's a CJ affiliate product, whatever it is, you need to find a product to promote. And then two, you need to create content around that product. The reason that people do not get sales is because they give up too soon, like I did 5 years ago. I didn't create content long enough and give myself a chance. This time it's different. I have a whole community standing behind me, and if you join Create Faceless Wealth, you will too. You can always um you can always post in this community page, and the owner and founder of Create Faceless Wealth will reply to you personally, which is amazing. Okay. You can create an Instagram and people will follow your Instagram. We have content banks, we have hook vaults, we have caption and hashtag vaults. So you no longer have to think of all your content yourself. It's all done for you. You just have to pick your background, put text on the screen, and post it. Okay. But you have to be consistent. What do I mean by consistent? Every morning I get up and post 2 TikToks, add those to my story, post 2 Instagram reels, add those to my story, create a story sequence, do a YouTube video. You've got to get your product out there. Nobody knows what you're selling unless you tell them. All right. So you need to create content and you need to have a great product. Okay. This product is $487. When you make a sale, you make $413. That means this is a mid-level product. Okay. There's low ticket, like $7, you make $350. Okay. That's what I did the first time. And I didn't know that I needed to go up to a mid-level product or a high ticket product. But it's a lot easier now because people have the option of payment plans. Okay, you can get started today with Create Faceless Wealth for $43, the price of taking your family to Chipotle for lunch. All right, anyone can get started with digital marketing. It's not hard. I'm just a normal girl that decided to invest in herself, take a chance, post the content, and now I'm going to start seeing sales every single day in my business. I set up my stand store one time. Okay. You go through the fast track to selling CFW. It teaches you how to set up your freebie, how to set up your um, free product, like my digital marketing course, how to, if you don't want to use StanStore, you can also use Beacons or System.io if you don't want to pay for StanStore, but you do get a free 14-day trial of StanStore. You can find that in the link in the description below as well. And then it shows you, it's not like we use Canva to create all of our videos and our templates and all of that. Okay. So it's not hard. You can do this. And StanStore is very cut and dry. You set up your StanStore one time, and then all you have to do is focus on product. It's not like analyzing if your funnel from ClickFunnels works. Okay. This is $29 a month. StanStore is very much cheaper than ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a great program if you want to optimize funnels and do split testing and know the wording to put on the funnel. I didn't want to have to do all that. So I chose StanStore for my storefront to sell my products. I also set up StanStore one time. Now all I do every morning is create content. They say that people don't work 1 to 3 hours a day from their phone as a digital marketer. That's BS. That's not true. We do. Once you have your system in place, all you have to worry about is driving traffic to your offer. Okay. And this course shows you step by step your introduction, the basics of digital marketing, understanding a digital product, building your business with purpose. Why did you decide to start digital marketing? You need to have a clear understanding of why you decided to start. We also have BossBot to help you. It's an AI tool integrated into ChatGPT. If you want to create your own digital product, here's the module for that. You can build your brand, designing a Canva website if you want. Faceless Insta Launchpad, it teaches you how to structure your bio, because your bio is the first thing people see if you're going to use Instagram. Your content strategy, this is very important. It lays it all out to you for you, how to do it. Content planning, Insta Story Select Success System. Did you know that you post reels, Instagram reels, to get views on your profile, but you post Instagram stories so that you make sales? The trust funnel, DM mastery, if somebody messages you, how to set up your freebie to funnel. Like I said, my free digital marketing guide is in the description. How to grow on Instagram, how to expand your reach if you choose Instagram, filming faceless content. Guys, this is all about faceless, just like I'm doing here on YouTube. It's faceless content. You can go over to Threads or Pinterest or Instagram and not show your face. You can even create a TikTok video, but this isn't what this course is focused on, is TikTok. So there's a little bit more trial and error with that, but you can do a TikTok page faceless. You can pin your profits. It walks you through how to create a Pinterest with digital marketing. So I wanted to walk you through digital products versus physical products, why I chose digital instead of physical. Digital products have a higher profit margin. Once you buy the product one time and you finish paying your payment plan, you own it. Okay. You can promote that product again and again and again. And Create Faceless Wealth offers 85% commission. So if you create your own digital product, you get 100% of the product or the price versus promoting physical products like Amazon Associates. headphones, vacuums, laptops, mouse, notebooks, candles. Those are lower profit margins. You get about 5 to maybe 12% because they have to produce them, they have to package and ship them, they have to deliver them. So they pay their affiliates a lot lower commission to sell those products. That's why digital marketing is where it's at. And right now, in this day and age, it's a gold mine because you can start digital marketing on a payment plan. Everyone starts on a payment plan. This is very important. You can start today for $43, like I said earlier. All you have to do is make your first $43 payment today, and you can jump inside of Create Faceless Wealth. So that's how you're going to start digital marketing today, is you're going to click the link in the bio, buy Create Faceless Wealth, either full price or on a payment plan, totally up to you. And then you're going to pick your social media platform that you want to perfect and post every single day. Okay, that's the trick. There's no $2,000 coaching call. There's no $2,000 product to buy. Okay, those are the 2 steps you need to do. When you buy Create Faceless Wealth through my link via this YouTube video, you will get one-on-one DM support from me and my social media roadmap of the steps I took to grow my Instagram, my TikTok, and this YouTube channel, and how you can duplicate it and make sales every single day. So if it sounds good to you, go ahead and click the link down in the description, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, guys.